Hello, it's Blake and Zoe's new toy. Hello. Bah. Zoe. Hello. Do you guys like it? It's a big yellow bus. And I'm gonna put Hey Zoe.
Well, you're very good at it.
I can't wait to go home and play the hiding game with Harvey. Yeah. And it is time for his afternoon parrot. Thanks for all your help, baby. You're welcome. Come back anytime you want to play. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye, Katie. Goodbye. See you later.
They see things quite different in odd shapes and sizes. Some eyes see things bigger from far, far away, and some see to the sides, like a large screen display. And when it gets dark and most hard to see, a snake can
No.
Now that's neat to me. It looks like he started the hiding game without you.
Huh? Cat, where did you get that carrot?
Bah. Alright guys, have fun.